sorry for the problem, but something just happened with my YouTube channel camera right now, so this video might be a little shorter. Sorry if it will be, but I'll still make part 3, part 4. I'll just do it. So I finished the mask and it's completely dry now. So now what I'm gonna work on is her shoes. So I'm gonna take this brown reddish. It's kind of brown reddish. And this is not her color, so this is really good. And I paint this right here one day. So, yeah. You can make this all over like this. Make it her boots. Okay. And it looks so perfect. I just love it. I just love it. Oh my goodness, I'm trying to get all around the corners. So it is perfect. Oh my goodness. When I edit this, I'm gonna do a little skit of this because this is just gonna. I was just looking at Herbie, it's really good. So I made the other one. Looks perfect. So it feels like I'm doing pretty good so far. Just need to go on the back. But until then, I'm gonna make part 3 when she's done just doing all this, and I'm gonna tell you the next step. So bye to then part 3.